those ideas that you keep having, you know, them ideas that you get late at night, maybe when you're lying in bed, or maybe you wake up in the middle of the night, you keep having these ideas come through of what you could do, or what you could build, or what you could create, and you sleep on it, and the mind kicks in and tells you that, oh, stupid idea anyway, it's not for me, I can't do that. But there's a reason why these ideas keep coming to you. It's not by coincidence. They may feel like a stupid idea, and you're probably telling yourself that these are just stupid ideas that can never work. These are never... Stupid ideas are always stupid until they work. And anything worth building, or anything that of any value in this day and age, at some point the person building it, or the team or whatever building it, would, from an outside angle in, or even question themselves, is what they're doing stupid? Or other people would think that it's stupid. But I need to make something clear, and this is the forefront point of this video, that all stupid ideas are stupid until they fucking work. And when they work, they're not so fucking stupid. And it's important, and I hope this video finds the people that needed to hear this message. And speaking to you from truth, I had them stupid ideas constantly inside of me, and question them, second guess them. And in the end I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do them anyway. Nobody has to know what I'm doing. I don't have to tell anyone what I'm doing. It's not for anybody else. I'm just going to go at this, and I'm going to do it regardless. And in the last 6-7 months, it's been the best decision I've ever made. And the point of me coming on camera and saying this to you is because I believe that we can all create and build something of meaning, something of purpose. And with the tools and the systems we have today, there's no better time to get them stupid ideas, or your passion projects, or your something that you've always wanted to do but you've just never got round to do it, or you've put it off for another day, or you're not quite sure how you're going to put it together, or maybe it's going to cost you a fortune. Maybe in the old ways of being 2-3 years ago, that may well have been the case, and that might not have been the right time for you to act on it. But this video is a reminder, and whether you believe me or you second guess yourself again, or question, is this just another guy on camera trying to sell you something? No, it's not what I'm doing. But if you're not using the tools and the platforms that we have in this day and age today, and you're not using them, then you're going to miss the boat. And your time in the sun will pass by, and I can promise you that your dream will be somebody else's if you keep second guessing yourself. You don't need to be a mathematician to understand the shift that's going on the planet right now, and the old ways of living in terms of flow and work, and it's changing hands. I'm not going to go too much into it. I think you probably already gathered up in the way this works, and if you would like to explore further, I do have links below. You can have a scour around, you can have a look. But my systems and my platform that I've put together are helping so many people actually implement their ideas, actually have the idea and then see how the steps can unfold. No, I'm not here to tell you that you're going to plug it in and then tomorrow morning you're going to wake up and your whole life's going to change. That's not what I'm saying to you. But what I'm saying is, with the right mindset and the right tools and the right platform, you can make your dreams a reality too. And I'm proven that these systems work, and they've worked for me. So my goal is to try and share the knowledge, share the wisdom. And if you're a little bit confused and you need a little bit of guidance, or you're just in that unsure stage, or maybe you want to take a leap of faith with yourself, then check out the links, have a navigate around, see how you feel. Like I said, there's no pressure, but let's cut out the noise in 2026. And times are evolving, times are changing, and you could be on this next wave forward or just be rolled over, and then in 10 years time you're going to wish that you acted at the time, at that right time. And maybe this video will come back to you in 10 years and be that push that you needed. Or maybe this might be that video that you can remember in 10 years time. And 10 years soon comes around, mine, and knowing that you could have acted, you could have front run. So the choice is yours. Ultimately, do your own research. I'm not here to hard sell you something. That is not what I'm doing. But if I can help people, inspire people to want to be better and start creating and start building on their dreams and changing the way they think about reality as it is, that's ultimately what I'm trying to do. But again, I do have the facilities and the help for you should you need. So yeah, I'm not going to harbour on too much. And YouTube is quite new to me, so I'm not the best on screen, and I'm not trying to show a fancy studio or show you my Lamborghinis in the background there. But what my systems have allowed me to do is travel, create, eat, drink, sleep wherever I want in the world, and just have the freedom which I've never had before. That in itself is priceless. And the beautiful thing about it is that once we start creating from flow and we start mapping out our own dreams and desires, it's like a domino effect. Things soon start to shift. And if there's one thing I can get you to take from this video is that the shift is happening and you can be with it. You can be with it, or you can sit back in time and wish you'd acted. I will do other videos and explain a little bit